Hi, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Larry Weinstein, and I'm both the CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to answer the question, why might a revenue officer be difficult to work with? Generally, revenue officers are reasonably easy to work with. Sometimes they're much more difficult than others. But there's one instance that I'm aware of in which a revenue officer might be very difficult to work with. That will be a situation in which you already have a history in dealing with this particular revenue officer. And the way that might happen, frankly, is you've dealt with the revenue officer in the past, you had some type of IRS problem, they worked with you to get you currently not collectible, they worked with you to get you yourself established with an installment agreement. And then once the case was done, you went down the road, the revenue officer went down the road, and something happened. Either you filed another tax return with the balance due and you defaulted an installment agreement, or you basically defaulted your status as currently not collectible. You didn't make estimated tax payments. You didn't file a tax return. There's some reason that you really messed up with the IRS. And whatever solution that you had in place is no longer in place. And generally speaking, you know what happens? Your case is assigned to the revenue officer that you dealt with originally. So the revenue officer will get reassigned your case, and they will remember having worked the case, and they're probably not terribly happy that the case has come back to them because they've got an inventory of anywhere between 25 and 50 to 75 cases. Just really depends upon the revenue officer. They're just like everybody else. They're overworked, they have a lot of pressure on them, and then a case gets reassigned to them because of something that you did, and now they have to work with you again. Probably not going to be very happy, probably going to be a little more difficult to work with the second time around rather than the first time around. So that's really the big reason that you might have a problem in dealing with the revenue officer. And it's simply that you already have a history with them, of working with them, and they're basically being forced to deal with you again. That's it for today's video. It would not answer the question, why will a revenue officer be difficult to work with? Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again real soon.